those defensive stocks, the consumer staples, those tend to hold steady even in times of economic pullback, dare I say recessions, and that can be a great thing to do. The next place where you might look, number 4, is industrials and infrastructure. These are companies that manufacture essential equipment that run transportation networks. These are things that even the government uses it as infrastructure spending to kind of stimulate economy. So again, going back to things like, if we need to stimulate the economy, maybe we do infrastructure projects that are government funded. So now we're going to need heavy equipment, and we're going to need tools, and we're going to need machinery, and we're going to need workers and outfits and trucks and nails and screws and things like that. So you're going to be looking at, again, the John Deeres, the Caterpillars, the Fastenal tools, there's a lot of those kinds of companies. You can look at which companies are manufacturing the heavy vehicles, provided that they haven't already over manufactured, right? That's key. But you just start thinking about how that's going to work and start looking at companies in that sector. And then finally, energy. And this is mostly going to be oil and renewables, which again is not a popular statement at the time. But oil and gas still make up most of the energy production and supply in this country. And that's not changing very fast, very soon. So advancements in things like solar can be helpful. Wind, I'm a little skeptical on. There's a lot of environmental issues with those, in my personal opinion. We don't yet have the battery storage capacity to have that be a great source of energy, because again, you have to use oil and gas to mine and manufacture the products that make the batteries that run all this stuff anyway. So we're not breaking away from oil and gas anytime soon. And if rates are high and borrowing costs are high and inflation's a little bit higher, and economies are still resilient, we're probably going to see oil prices remain relatively steady, but some of those companies are going to remain cheap to their earnings. But you just have to be mindful that it's a commodity, and commodity prices can swing at the whim, literally, of OPEC or production cuts or anything like that.